Hy-Vee just launched their summer beauty box, and Kencho and I are going to review all the amazing products inside. And guess what, Kencho? They even came out with a men's grooming box. Isn't that exciting stuff? You excited to try it? Maybe next they'll come out with a dog box. Oh, I'd buy that. Oh, he's already heading to the store. He wants it. First off, we have the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier, and this is their passion fruit flavor. This is such a great product. It's so easy to use. You just mix it in with 16 ounces of water, and this is gonna give you 2 to 3 times the hydration of just a single bottle of water alone. It also is gonna deliver that hydration faster and more efficiently than just water on its own. It's packed with B vitamins and vitamin C, and the passion fruit flavor is great because it's not too sweet or strong. It's very, very light. I love this flavor, and I do use Liquid IV, so this is definitely something that I will buy again, and I do already buy it. Then we have the Hello Clean and Fresh deodorant with charcoal. I love this deodorant. It gives you 24-hour odor protection. It is vegan. Oh, are you tired already? It's hard work, huh? And then this also is gonna really help fight odor with tea tree oil, charcoal, and then arrowroot. And then it also is made from 100% recycled materials, the packaging is. So very, very eco-friendly deodorant, and then it is aluminum free and it works. Love this. Then we have the Top Care Large Makeup Blender, and I love a good sponge to apply foundation. You wanna get this wet, wring it out, and then I actually dry mine off in a towel so that it's not, you know, super wet when I use it. And it's gonna give you a nice sheer application of foundation. And then I also really like to use it mainly for concealer because it helps so that you don't get so much product that it looks cakey. Now with these, you do want to shampoo them at least once a week if you are the only one using them. And they recommend replacing them about every 1 to 3 months. I recommend every 1 month because they do stay damp and collect bacteria a little bit easier. Then we have the Revlon Colorstay Satin Ink in number 10, Your Majesty. This is a 16-hour wear lipstick that's basically like a stain and a lipstick mixed together. It's moisturizing with black currant seed oil and vitamin E, and as you can see, it's the perfect everyday color and it's super comfortable. Then we have the Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience Lotion. So this is a really great all over body lotion that you can use for really dry or aging skin. So over time, your skin actually loses lipids and proteins, and this causes your skin to thin. It also causes a loss of moisture in the skin, which can really make your skin look dull. This moisturizer is gonna help lock in hydration for 24 hours. It is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free. And for being really, really hydrating, this lotion actually is not greasy or heavy at all. It doesn't have a scent added to it, but I do think it kind of smells like a lighter sweet oat smell, but it's very, very faint. Then we have the Freeman Fringe Pink Clay Peel Off Mask. So for this mask, it's gonna really help remove impurities and detox your pores for glowing skin. They recommend using this 2 times a week or as needed. I'm gonna put that on right now. So we're gonna start right in the center of my face and work outward. You do wanna apply it on clean, dry skin and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or until dry. You wanna avoid your eyes and anywhere where there's little hairs. So like I tend to stay away from the brow area and the hairline. With a peel off mask, sometimes you can catch those little hairs and pull them out. But this is a really great mask if you just want to help clear out your pores and detox your skin. And you can even spot treat with this. So a lot of times I'll just take this type of a mask on my chin and my nose where I maybe get a little more of a breakout or acne. Don't be afraid to be a little more generous with the application in this and leave the edges a little bit thicker so you actually have a little bit of a lip there to peel the mask off. And we'll just let this sit while I do the rest of the video and peel it off at the end. Then we have the Basin Florida Sunshine Bath Bomb. This has sea salt in it, so it's really gonna help condition your skin. It's a very bright scent. It's a floral, fresh, that has a little bit of vanilla and citrus to it. Then we have the Yardley London Earth Spring Body Wash, and this one is in English lavender and oatmeal and almond. And if you know me, I am a huge sucker for anything that smells like almond. It is, I think, one of the best scents ever. And this is great because it's made with essential oils, it's vegan, it's not tested on animals, and then it's free of dyes, sulfates, phthalates, parabens. This smells awesome and it leaves your skin very soft. Then we have the Impress Press On Manicure, and this is really cool. This is basically like getting a gel manicure at home, and it's obviously no chip, no smudge, no dry time, and it comes with the adhesive and everything, so there's no messy glue. They're super easy to use. You just want to match up the nail size with your nail bed, and if you're between a couple sizes, you want to choose the smaller size and peel the adhesive off, stick it on, and let your nails dry for about an hour before you get them wet or anything like that. But super easy to use. They look amazing, and they come with a row of sparkle nails, which I always love to do like a little accent nail, so really great deal on those. And then last but not least, we have the Garnier Fructis Plumping Treat 3-in-1 Hair Mask. So you can use this as a leave-in conditioner, as a hair mask, or as just your regular conditioner. And this specific one has watermelon extract in it, which is gonna help plump and hydrate your hair. So this smells like watermelon and it feels really good. I used it just as a regular conditioner on my hair, and I already have thick hair, but I feel like it worked really well and didn't weigh it down and left a really nice smooth finish to it. So those are all the items out of the beauty box. I think the only thing we have now to do is reveal my face, but I kind of wish I could stay this radiant. So you'll notice it starts to feel tight when it's ready to be peeled off. And like I said, you just want to start from the edges, just feel everywhere first too, and make sure that it's dry. If there's anywhere where it's still sticky or damp, you don't want to take it off yet. But you just want to start to peel from the edges of your face and peel towards the center of your face. So from your forehead down, from your cheeks over, from the chin up. And if there are any areas where the mask is still kind of stuck on a little bit, you can absolutely rinse it with warm water. They do recommend rinsing with warm water when you're done using it too. All right, so my mask is dry, so I'm gonna start to peel it off. I'm just gonna start from the bottom here. And just start to slowly peel that upwards from the chin and then inward from the edges of my face. So kind of towards the center. And then from the forehead down. All right, so I did peel off the rest of that mask, and then I did rinse my skin with warm water just to get the remaining pieces off. It worked really well, and I think my skin looks awesome after using that. So definitely another win in the beauty box. This was full of great items. I think my favorite things are the deodorant, the liquid IV, the body wash, specifically the almond oatmeal, because that smells divine. And then the couple other things, well, I loved everything, but I did really like these two items too. I kept that lipstick on while I rinsed off my mask, and it's still there. I didn't touch it up at all. So great item and very comfortable with the Revlon lip stain. And then the Fringe Clay peel off mask. And this is huge. You get so much product in here. Come here, buddy. Up. Sit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe. Right? Smash that like button. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Good boy. And tune in later because I will be doing a video featuring Cole. He gets to be the guinea pig. Oh, see, he likes these products. He's eating them off my arm. They good? Okay, boy. But Cole will be my guinea pig, and we're gonna try the men's grooming box on him. So thank you guys again. Have a great day. Bye.